Prepare for day one of home ownership. Buying the property is easy, owning it, that's where the real game starts. Focus on your systems, tenant screening, maintenance, and your cash reserves. In Alberta, security deposit is only a maximum of 1 month's rent. You need a home inspection report. You need a proper notice for rent increases. You must always follow RTA rules. What do you need to prepare for as a landlord? First is your emergency fund. Two, hire the right property manager, but it's optional. If you can handle it on your own, well and good. You have your maintenance plan. Preventive maintenance is the best maintenance. And make sure the place is rent ready. Owning a rental property is like owning a car. Pwede mo gamitin, pwede kang kumita, pero may maintenance talaga yan.